In this installation project video, we take a look at a Sonos 5.1 surround sound system. Hi, my name is Will Vitella, home technology expert. This family gave me a call and said, hey Will, please design and set us up with one of your Alexa smart home system designs. Well, good thing that they gave me a call while they were gutting out and remodeling this house. And wow, did it come out absolutely gorgeous with this modern, sleek, open floor plan design that I absolutely love. Now, in an Alexa smart home setup, it includes many different things. It includes having a hardwired eero Pro Wi-Fi mesh internet. It includes having hardwired Ring security cameras outside of the house with Ring alarm. Also having Alexa being able to control different things like your Ecobee Smart Thermostat, your smart lights, but also having it built into the Sonos 5.1 surround sound system that you can see with a 75-inch TV, soundbar speaker underneath it, the bass speaker on the floor, and rear in-ceiling speakers built into the ceiling, clean it out of the way for those rear surround sound effects. Also, with this television set, you can see I've mounted a 75-inch 4K LED television set that is made by Sony, but it's connected with an Apple TV 4K with one simple remote control to be able to use to be able to watch your local TV, your sports, your DVR, your Netflix, your Disney Plus, whatever you need. It's just one remote control for power, volume, and changing channels. You know, you just got to get it done right, have the right company to do a great installation and a great seamless design. Please go to hometechnologyexpert.com and click on schedule an appointment.